Good morning, I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. Today is Monday, March 29th, and this is what's in the news this morning. The Telegraph is reporting that Vodafone and Verizon Communications are in talks about the future of Verizon Wireless, their American wireless joint venture. U.S. and European governments are moving toward a consensus on taxing large banks to cover the cost of any future bailouts rather than asking taxpayers to foot the bill, as happened in past banking crises. The Wall Street Journal is reporting that story, and the Rio Tinto case has huge ramifications for multinationals doing business in China. Wall Street Journal also is reporting this story this morning. While executives in the country increasingly say last week's admissions suggest there may have been problems with the way Rio Tinto was selling iron ore in China, many remain disturbed by the lack of transparency in the way the executives were detained and charged last year. Over the next decade, PetroChina will challenge ExxonMobil and BP in the race to control gas and oil fields by spending at least $60 billion on overseas acquisitions. That story is being reported on Bloomberg News. Best Buy will open its first stores in the UK starting in May, as reported by Gizmodo. And in Barron's magazine this week, Fairholme's Bruce Berkowitz was interviewed, and he finds AIG, Bank of America, and Citigroup attractive. Bruce Berkowitz is the founder of Fairholme Capital Management and president of the Fairholme Fund. Berkowitz has a very straightforward investing approach. He looks for undervalued companies, preferably ones that throw off a lot of cash, and he runs a concentrated portfolio. Barron sees good things in ORCL's future. ORCL stock lost 1.8% or 45 cents on Friday to a recent $25.59 per share, as investors weren't impressed with the company's dull guidance. Barrons.com, however, believes that this dip provides an attractive buying opportunity. The magazine advises to avoid most insurance stocks until after hurricane season. The start of the June 1st through November 30th season is about 2 months away and is likely to spawn at least 5 storms. As a result, the insurers could get a walloping similar to what they experienced in 2008. And finally, the magazine is reporting that the Internet of Things is rapidly becoming a reality. Barron's technology trader columnist Eric Savitz commented that at the CTIA Wireless trade show in Las Vegas last week, there was growing enthusiasm for the notion that soon, more or less, quote, everything will be connected to the Internet. I'm Christy Duffy for Smart Trend News. For more on those stories, you can visit the respective news websites where they're being reported. You can also see the full breakdown of headlines at www.theflyinthewall.com. And you can receive this What's in the News report every morning right here on Trade the Trends YouTube channel.